This is Kathy from GadgetStop 321, and in today's video I'm going to be replacing my converter that has silver trim with a converter that has gold trim. Now, when I received this, I noticed it doesn't look very gold, so I'm going to compare it to the silver converter and see how much of a difference there is. Now, to me, it's not going to be that big of a deal because you don't really see the converter, but if you're buying one of these gold converters, well, it's looking a little more gold now. It's out of the package. If you're buying one of these gold converters to go in a demonstrator, you may care a little bit more. So, let's see. When I first bought this pen, gold converters were kind of hard to find. In fact, I couldn't find a gold converter to go in this pen. So there's silver and there's gold. So let's see. Yeah, there's a difference between the two, but when you compare it to the gold hardware on the pen, it's a little bit more pale. The plating, I guess, is a little bit thinner. But that looks okay. Not bad. Well, hold on. While I have this out, here's the Sailor gold and silver trim converters, and here's the platinum. The platinum converters are the gold is a little bit more, just a little bit more gold colored. But just so you'll know, if you're buying one for, really the only pen that it would matter in is the completely clear demonstrator. A lot of Sailor's demonstrator pens are, you know, like a translucent pink or blue or green. So you don't see a whole lot of completely clear demonstrators. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.